Karibuni sana wase. So the project officially started. We hit the garage, tukafanya some engine service, tukaangalia brake pads, tukaangalia linings, na tukaangalia pia suspension ndio tujue what to change next. But basically today it was just purely a minor service, ndio tuingie wash, alafu tujue ni aje after that. The engine looks very very neat. Not from the washing though, but basically we've gotten plugs out of them out of the engine, sorry, and they look worn out. The air filter was the biggest mess. This is how the air filter looks. This is pure rubbish, pure garbage. But there are no leaks whatsoever in the engine bay, apart from just a few things that were not well done. For example, this ABS system, kuna vitu kama hizi. Alafu ni kama ilipigwa rangi haraka so that it can get a market, but this one vitu kidogo tu. The wipers are not working, so that's why we've opened here ndio tuweze kushughulikia wipers pia and correct a few errors like this ones, but this is not for today. What we'll do today, we'll just wipe it, but basically paint work will be done later after we are done with everything. So today is just basic mechanical, get the engine working perfectly fine, do the service, ensure that the brakes are working well as needed. So brake zilitengenezwa jana, unfortunately I wasn't here, but what we are currently doing is service and zile hubs za nyuma replacement na maybe shocks, alafu na hiyo motor. From there the car to be cleaned gently ile juju, and we have a usable vehicle until maybe probably next week hivi we do something else pole pole. It's a project Swift, wacha tuone vile itakuwa. So guys, we brought it here for a detailed wash. Alafu kutoka hapo we see how it goes. At least it becomes a bit neater. Na it will be easier to even drive as a daily drive pole pole as we build it. Remember, it's not a one day project. It's a project that will probably take a few months hapa na pale, but again, it's an easy project with a target of 150,000. We will be done with this vehicle. So basically, let me leave it here. I can't stay here because of the nature of the job I do and the nature of this place. We can't shoot the whole time, but again, we will do the after bit, or the reveal bit of it after it's done. usafi kaendelea namna hiyo. The seats were cleaned, the interior was cleaned, the rack of the vehicle was also cleaned. Yani gari ikasafishwa kweli kweli to kill the odor and basically make the car usable and enjoyable. So basically guys, it's day 2 of cleaning. Na breki hapa ndio breki zimetufikisha. Yeah, mawe kubwa. But again, it's coming in nicely. So let's wait and see. Tumaliziwa leo, so that's it. Na kutoka chini, this is how it looks. Let me show you kutoka chini. So basically this is how it looks kutoka chini. Lakini inakaa bado chini haijaoshwa. So this cable here. Cable is this. This is how it looks kutoka chini. Basically, it's not as bad as you'd probably expect for a 250 bob vehicle. But yeah, if we improve pole. But this is how it looks basically. Finally, after everything was done, I had a little miss to sort. Na kama kawaida, sometimes hizi gari zikifanyangwa detailing sana sana kwa engine, misses will come. And this one was something we didn't expect. We sorted it out. And that was it. So finally, after everything was done, we cruised home and enjoyed the drive. Ingawaje, there was some kelele from the suspension, which we're going to sort in the next episode. Asante sana for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and enjoy. Ciao guys.